Pop's Celestial Carvings. The Cosmic Chainsaw Adventure. In a realm where the night sky was always alight with a cosmic dance of planets and stars, there lived a brown rabbit named Pop. Pop was no ordinary rabbit. He was an adventurer at heart and had a peculiar choice of tool, a bright orange chainsaw that seemed to hum with a life of its own. One evening, as the twin moons rose high above the horizon, casting their silver glow over the forest clearing, Pop decided it was time for an adventure unlike any before. With his trusty chainsaw in paw, he set out to carve paths through uncharted territories and discover secrets hidden within the celestial woods. As he journeyed through whispering leaves and past ancient trees that told tales older than time itself, Pop came upon an enigmatic stump. It stood alone in a clearing bathed in moonlight, a remnant of a once mighty tree that had seen generations come and go. Sensing something extraordinary about this solitary piece of wood, Pop climbed atop it. With his chainsaw ready, he began to work under the watchful eyes of countless stars. Each cut was precise. Each slice revealed layers upon layers of history etched into the wood's grain. As sawdust flew around him like stardust caught in a cosmic wind, Pop shaped what would become his greatest creation. A map carved into wood that held clues to traverse wormholes scattered across this fantastical universe. The story ends with our brave little hero standing proudly on his stump platform, chainsaw at rest beside him, as he gazes out into infinity where adventures await among stars and planets yet to be explored by any rabbit before him.